Daily COVID-19 case numbers continued tumbling on Tuesday, February 2nd, in Los Angeles County, but the death toll climbed above the 17,000 mark, with more than 200 new fatalities. The County Department of Public Health announced 205 virus deaths on Tuesday, raising the countywide cumulative total from throughout the pandemic to 17,057. Health officials noted that more than 7,000 COVID deaths have been reported over the past month, matching the total number of virus deaths that occurred between February and October of last year. But while fatalities mounted in response to the winter surge of cases that began in November, the number of newly confirmed infections continued to fall. The county announced 763 new infections on Tuesday, down substantially from the early January totals that regularly topped 10,000. Hospitalizations also continued a steady downward trend, with state figures showing a total of 165 people hospitalized in the county due to COVID, including 371 in intensive care. According to the County Department of Public Health, there were 830 available hospital beds as of Tuesday morning at the area's 70 911 receiving medical centers, including 85 ICU beds. The new COVID cases announced by the county raised the cumulative total since the pandemic began to 124,558. Health officials have been expressing cautious optimism about the declining daily case numbers and hospitalizations, but continue to warn that the pandemic could easily surge again if people grow complacent and stop adhering to health restrictions, particularly with the recent reopening of more businesses and with Super Bowl Sunday just days away. Dr. Mark Ghaly, the state's Health and Human Services Secretary, warned Tuesday that although case rates and numbers are falling, they're still not low. He noted that prior to the winter surge that began in November, several counties, including Los Angeles, were on the verge of emerging from the restrictive purple tier of the state's economic reopening matrix, with daily new case rates dropping to nearly 7 per 100,000 residents. But while numbers are declining, Los Angeles County's adjusted case rate was listed at 38.7 per 100,000 residents as of Tuesday, 5 times the rate needed to move out of the purple tier. It's just a reminder that COVID is still abound in our communities, Ghaly said. We've got to keep our guard up. How likely is it that we'll see another surge? I think again it comes back to the behaviors and our own sense of personal choices and personal responsibility on this. The upcoming Super Bowl is raising concerns statewide about people gathering for viewing parties, and health officials continue to warn against such get-togethers. Los Angeles County took the extra step of requiring restaurants to turn off or remove all televisions in customer seating areas when patio dining was permitted to resume last Friday.